Temperature control and monitoring. Temperature, your most powerful weapon. Temperature control is one of the most critical and effective tools you have for keeping food safe. While all food safety practices work together, temperature control stands out because it's measurable, reliable, and gives you immediate control over bacterial growth. Get the temperature wrong, and even perfect hygiene and cleaning won't save you from a food safety disaster. Temperature control works because it directly attacks bacteria at their most vulnerable point, their need for specific environmental conditions to survive and multiply. Unlike other control methods that might reduce contamination, proper temperature control can actually eliminate pathogens or stop them from growing entirely. It's also one of the few food safety measures you can verify instantly with a thermometer, giving you real-time feedback on whether your controls are working. The science made simple. Why temperature matters. Bacteria multiply fastest between 8 degrees Celsius and 63 degrees Celsius, the danger zone. Below 8 degrees Celsius, they slow down dramatically. Above 63 degrees Celsius, they start dying. At 75 degrees Celsius and above, most harmful bacteria die quickly. Think of it like this. Bacteria are like people. They don't like being too hot or too cold. Room temperature is perfect for them, just like it is for us. Our job is to make sure food spends as little time as possible at temperatures bacteria love. UK legal temperature requirements. These aren't suggestions. They're the law, and failure to comply can result in prosecution, business closure, and unlimited fines. Environmental health officers will check these temperatures during inspections, and you need documented evidence that you're meeting these requirements consistently. These legal limits are based on scientific research showing the temperatures needed to prevent bacterial growth and eliminate pathogens that cause serious illness. Cold storage. 8 degrees Celsius maximum for chilled foods. Some businesses aim for 5 degrees Celsius or lower for extra safety. Minus 18 degrees Celsius for frozen foods. Hot holding. England, Wales, Northern Ireland. 63 degrees Celsius minimum. Scotland. Same, but reheating must reach 82 degrees Celsius. Cooking temperatures. Poultry. 75 degrees Celsius core temperature. This is crucial. Minced meat. 70 degrees Celsius core temperature. Whole meat joints. Varies by type. Fish, 63 degrees Celsius core temperature. Understanding why these temperatures matter legally is crucial for your career and your business's survival. The 75 degrees Celsius requirement for poultry, for example, isn't arbitrary. It's a scientifically proven temperature needed to kill Salmonella and Campylobacter that naturally live in chicken. The 8 degrees Celsius limit for cold storage is the point where most dangerous bacteria slow their multiplication dramatically. These legal standards represent the minimum acceptable risk level for public health, which is why there's no flexibility or discretion. You either meet them or face serious legal consequences.